Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you clean out those tee boxes is you want to make sure that these pumps are locked out. They're not going to turn on. So best way to do that is right here. Click to override the pump off. They're already off, but you click it just to make sure that there's no computer glitch or the power goes out, comes on, and actually turns these pumps on and cuts your fingers off. So here we go, they're tagged out. Okay, the first ones we're going to clean out is the WAS-RAS number 2 pumps. And this right up here, as you can tell, it says the WAS-RAS number 2 pump is off. This one's the number 1, that's the one that's running. And we got the EQ pumps, we'll clean those two. So this one's EQ pump number 2, and this one's EQ pump number 1. So like I said, we're going to clean out number 2. Number 2. Let's go out and change them. Okay, these are the RAS and the WAS pumps. So we're gonna take care of this pump right here. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna get a pipe wrench and we're gonna put it on this, and we're gonna just rotate that and clean the gunk out of here. These ones are the EQ pumps. We'll do exactly the same thing for this one. This one's number 2. See? EQ pump number 2. Clean that out. Alright. So, before we begin work on this, I want to make sure that there's no flow coming in. So, what you do is you want to turn this clockwise. It's not really that hard. So that way it stops the flow from coming in to here. And we'll see here. You want to close this one, like so. Okay. Okay, this is where we get our pipe wrenches. So minty to choose from. And you usually just grab this. It's right here. Oh, I missed it. this valve, and this valve. So you just see. Okay, and then once you get done cleaning those two, here's the one for the EQ. Go ahead and click that. I'll go back to being red because the number one's currently running, and then by midnight tomorrow this one will switch over. Go ahead and click that. It's red, and tomorrow at midnight this one will also switch over. So that's how you do that. Oh, there we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about.